Hello everyone. So today we'll be seeing about how to code adverse effect in ICD-10. So adverse effect means what? If a layman person is telling about adverse effect, we usually say it as side effect. Okay, side effect of a drug. So how you will be coding this adverse effect? It is very simple. In this case also you should know what will be the primary code and what will be the secondary code. So before let's start the video. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we simplify medical coding one topic at a time. Today we are diving into a crucial topic, how to code adverse effect in ICD-10-CM, a must know for medical coders. Understanding adverse effect is critical for ensuring accurate documentation and compliance healthcare, which will be really helpful for your CPC exam and to clear your interviews. So let's see the adverse effect definition. Adverse effect occurs when a drug or a substance is taken exactly as prescribed or directed but causes an unintended and harmful reaction in the patient. Example, for instance, a patient takes amoxicillin as prescribed and develops a rash. Because of taking amoxicillin, he is developing a rash. So that is the adverse effect of that drug. So here we will differentiate the difference between adverse effect, poisoning and underdosage. It is very important not to confuse adverse effect with poisoning or underdosage. Adverse effect means the drug is taken correctly but it is causing some harm. Poisoning means wrong dosage, wrong route or abuse. Underdosage means taking less medications than prescribed. So here coding guidelines and sequencing rules. In ICD-10-CM, you always code the manifestation first, followed by the drug causing the adverse effect. So here the condition should be coded first. Second, you have to code for the adverse effect. So first you have to code for the condition. For this, you have to identify the conditions such as rash, nausea, liver failure, whatever condition has happened because of the drug, that should be coded first. Second, you have to code for the adverse effect. Here I have given an example, gastritis due to ibuprofen. So here a patient develops gastritis after taking ibuprofen as prescribed. So first we have to identify the code for gastritis. Second, you have to code for the adverse effect of that drug. Always the condition should be coded first. Second, you have to code for the adverse effect. Example 2, rash from amoxicillin. A patient develop a rash after taking the amoxicillin. Here first we are coding for the rashes and second you are coding for the adverse effect of that drug, amoxicillin. Please use table of drugs for coding this adverse effect. It's very simple and easy to understand also. So example 3, liver failure from acetaminophen. A patient experiences acute liver failure after taking acetaminophen. Here first we are coding for liver failure. Second, you are coding for adverse effect of acetaminophen. Use table of drugs for finding out this adverse effect of acetaminophen. It's very simple. So common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1. Coding the T code as a primary diagnosis. That is a very first mistake. Always remember the condition caused by the drug should come first. Mistake 2. Using poisoning code instead of adverse effect. Check the documentation to confirm the drug was taken as prescribed. Mistake 3. Avoiding the fifth character. So make sure you are assigning the fifth character properly for adverse effect. Pro tips and best practices: always review the guidelines for adverse effect coding. Practice scenarios as much number so that it will help you to clear your doubts, as well as whenever you are in doubt, please refer your manual and then only you assign your final code. So that's all about what we can say in adverse effect. It's very simple. So we covered what an adverse effect is, how to code step by step and common mistakes to avoid. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more coding tutorials. So that's all about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any doubts regarding this, you can put it as a comment. Okay, and if you are interested in more medical coding tips, don't forget to check out other videos also. I offer detailed training and insights into complex coding scenarios, so subscribe for more updates. And if you need help with your coding skills or certification, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.